and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm finally able to sit down and film my gigantic sales haul. I was waiting for a Space NK order to arrive today because I didn't want to start filming and then to add products as soon as they arrive. So now I have everything here in front of me and I'm able to finally film my haul. I will split this haul in two parts. On today's video we are going to see all my online shoppings, and I have orders from Space NK. I actually have two orders from Space NK. I also have a order from Beauty Bay and a small order from iHerb. And on the part 2 that I'm going to film after this, I'll have all my in-store purchases. I have some shopping that I have done on Müller on Austria, and also some clothing items and one random product that I purchased from Sephora. But yeah, I hope that you'll stick around, grab a chair, grab a coffee, a cocktail, or whatever the time is on the part of the world you are watching and whatever you are preferring to serve in this particular time of the day, and let's get started. So if you are interested to see what I have purchased, then stick around because we are about to start. I will start with the biggest item that I see here in front of me, and this I purchased from iHerb, and is by Petit Fille. Is their gold hydrogel eye patches. They are infused with 5 golden complex, 24 karat gold, ginseng, swallow nest, collagen, and rose flower water. It's coming with a spatula. I actually use this in a chit chat get ready with me video that I filmed last week, but I didn't see the spatula. I was sitting somewhere there, so just for a disclaimer. And here you have your collagen infused patches. I don't want to tilt it too much because then the actual moisture it will spill. So I'm all about hydrating my under eye area, and I found those on a very good price. Then, because I want to finish with iHerb, I bought a brush that I heard Jessica Brown. There cannot be a video without her, and this is not the single product that I purchased because of Jessica. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, which is meant to serve blending your foundation and why not your cream contour product. I've used it for contour, for a contour product, and I love it. Then from Beauty Bay, they also had sales, and there was a product that made me place that order, but also I saw they had this sheet mask on their stash, and this was not discounted. This was the only product that I paid the full price. I think it was retailing for €4. Is the Holika Baby Silky Foot Mask Sheet, which I love. I used one of these in the beginning of summer and I still have no cracks, no problem. I don't have big problems with my feet, but yeah, I use this every 2 months and I maintain the overall nice aspect of my feet. So really affordable and great product. If you came across this brand, don't skip it. I also see this brush. This is by Juno & Co, and this is their large tapered powder brush. I haven't opened it yet. I love how it looks like. So beautiful baby pink handle, and here it's a bit metallic-y, and of course I keep it in the opposite direction. So this is the brush. Actually, I thought it will be a bit bigger. For me, this will be more suitable to apply the brush than to use it for powder. I rather prefer more fluffy brush to apply my powder, so this is perfect for blush. they were having on sales the Pro Sponge blenders from LA Girl. And if you are with me for some time, you know that I love so much those sponges. I think the quality of the sponges is better than anything else I've tried, including the beauty blender. So if you are looking for a affordable dupe for the beauty blender, try this and you'll probably don't return to beauty blender. To be honest, I didn't purchase a beauty blender in a long time, so I'm going with this. Right now I'm using something else, but I have another backup of 2 packs, so I'm looking forward to open one of these soon. And the main reason for placing an order on Beauty Bay, it was the Norvina ABH and Norvina. This is the Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. So this is the packaging. And I have a Get Ready With Me video featuring this palette. You all were complimenting my eye look on my high-end concealer video battle, so one of the looks was done with this palette. So this is how it looks like, and I love the shades, are beautiful and they are swatching like a dream. Now on Space NK this summer they had really great sales, so I couldn't stop myself from purchasing some items. So I did 2 orders like I told you before. First time I purchased the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand, and I'm on shade Fair to Medium. So this is how it looks like, and it's really nice. It looks a bit dark, but it blends into your skin right away. Just the only thing I heard about it from Jessica is that you have to be careful not to forget it on the open, because if you turn it on and you forget to switch it off after you use it, then the product will spill. But other than that, I love this product. Then I was in the market for a new sunscreen because mine is almost gone, and I decided to try the Kodali SPF 50. This light, non-sticky, creamy, it's enriched with soothing organic grape water and gives maximum UVA UVB protection for a radiant and lasting tan. A delicate sunny fragrance envelopes the skin. So I haven't tried this product. I don't know how it wears, but if I will come across and use it before, I will actually put this video up. I will leave a comment either on the description box or I will put it here on the screen. So I don't know how it wears underneath your makeup. If you have used it and you have some feedback, please leave it down. I have 50 mils. And it's white. Okay, it's a bit fragranced for my taste, I would say that. But I see that it blends into my skin and doesn't leave any residue. And it's also not too shiny, so it's just a bit luminous. So we will see how it will wear under the makeup. Then, ladies and gentlemen, a bit of a drum. I have my first Chantecaille product. This is the cheeky shade in the shade Louder. Anyway, it is reflecting the light, so I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see. So this is the shade, and I use it once. It's coming with a mirror, and this is the actual product. So the top part is a bit more shiny, whilst the embossed part is a bit more shiny. And it's a nice baby pink, I would say. I've worn this once, I like it. It is also on that Get Ready With Me video that I said it will come up anytime soon. Then from Charlotte Tilbury, another product that I purchased is her lip cheat in the shade Pillow Talk. I was feeling that I missed this shade from my collection and I want to get it. So this is how it swatches. And because it was cute, I purchased this Charlotte Tilbury Sharpener because I keep buying from Essence sharpeners, which I think I use them maximum 2 months. After 2 months they stop working for me. So I said maybe a high-end sharpener will be better for me and it will last me longer. So this wasn't that expensive. I think it was around £5. So yeah, this is the sharpener. I also purchased this concealer, which is a Miss For Me by Becca. You already saw the high-end concealer battle video. If you didn't, I will have it linked down below. This is the Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in the shade Fair, which has this strange applicator. It looks like a duck bit. And is very yellow undertone. I will try to make it work because I paid with my own money. But yeah, not a big fan, unfortunately. Also, something which I was hunting from a long time. And by this, I think there were 5 years when I first purchased this product and I chose the wrong shade. This is by Cover FX and this is their custom cover drops. So this is a old product by Cover FX. So this is how it looks like, and it looks like a shade who might match me. So those are really pigmented drops that you can wear alone or mix them with your foundation, with your cream, sorry, with your skincare, and give it more sheer coverage. It was really hyped many years ago. Right now I think there are people who even don't know this product exists on Cover FX. Then I saw this product on sale. I see it has even the price on it. I think they brought it from the store and sell it to me. This is by Nars. It's their Audacious Lipstick in the shade J. Full price it is £26. But guys, look at this packaging. Isn't the most beautiful thing you have seen before? And just as a comparison, this is how their regular Audacious lipstick packaging looks like. So this is my old Anita. I love their formula, so hopefully I will love this shade. I haven't swatched it yet. It might be a bit too nude for me. I cannot tell. I need to put it on my lips. But it looks a bit nudish. Love the formula. If you don't know, Nars Audacious Lipstick is my all-time favorite formula. Oh, I found something which I forgot to show you from the Beauty Bay haul. This is by Milani and is their matte lipstick in the shade 78 Matte Delicate. This is, I think, this is too pink for me. So I don't know what happened with me, but this round I was not so inspired with ordering lip products. Now I realize that. And the last product that I purchased from Space NK is the Scaling Aquan Jewelpop Face and Eye Palette. This is the outer packaging. And I have seen this palette on sale. For every sale they were having on sale. Even on Space NK or in Cult Beauty. And I finally grab it, because I think it was retailing for £20 or so. And this is how it looks like. It's a cardboard palette. Oops. That was the plastic cover, but it has a magnet. And I'm wearing it today on my eyes. And this is the palette. This is how it looks. So, if you are on the go, you don't know what to grab you to, you can take this palette and you'll have your all face makeup completed, because this sculpting shade can act as a transition. I use it today. Then I've used the mahogany, which is this beautiful taupey shade with a bit of a sheen to it, to define my outer V. And for my lid I use the shade Ruby, which is this one. And I use the citrine to top a bit the lid. And they also have this skin tone light shade that you can use to set your eyeshadow primer, so I highly appreciate that. So for me, this is a versatile palette. Of course, they also have a blush and a topper blush that you can use as a highlighter if you want so. And I don't have something like this in my collection, and I'm really chuffed that I finally got it. I love the quality. All the shades are perfect. And if you are interested to see me recreating this look or to use some other shades from this palette, just let me know. And it was a sample with purchase. I got these good jeans by Sunday Riley, and I think this is the second sample that I have, and I don't remember what samples they gave me on the previous order, or maybe they were out of samples, because this is happening from time to time on Space NK. But I think this is all for today. Please let me know if you are a regular online shopper, and if you are so, which are your favorite shops to purchase from. I love to purchase from UK because they have brands that we don't have here in Czech Republic, and also they have very good deals, very good sales, so I all the time order from there. I'm really happy to buy from them whenever I have the occasion. Now I will leave you with this first part of the haul, and I will link the second part as soon as it will be up on the description box of this video. So far, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to stay tuned for the second part of my sales haul. Have a great, blessed day. Bye bye! Mwah! Okay.